Hi everyone, this is Himani Sharma, officially and socially known as That Writer Chick. So आज का ये vlog is totally based on my journey from here, that is Jammu, to my hometown, Akhnoor. Now मैंने ये vlog पहले से ही plan कर रखा था. I was planning on कि मैं New Year पर at least vlogging तो start करूँ. Not moto vlogging exactly for now. Yeah, it can be an informative channel. It's 30th, the night time. इस time पर I'm just packing my stuff. And that's where I wanted to start this vlog from. Usually सब festivals पे या New Year Eve या anything like that वो हम घर पर सबके साथ ही celebrate करते हैं. And I really love the place where my home is. तो मैंने सोचा कि let's bring it online now. Let's bring it to you all. Let's just break down my journey and take you along. See, मेरा favorite part हमेशा ये रहता है the organized packing that I do. अगर मेरे पास बहुत ज़्यादा time हो तो I usually sort things first and then pack them back. So आज मैंने वही करा है. मैंने एक proper setup create किया है क्योंकि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा travel करती हूँ कि 2022 में literally it has been one trip per 2 months if to be on average. So ज़्यादा time ना waste करते हुए let me just show you how I'm packing. Here you go. ये है सारा मेरा थोड़ा बहुत कैंपिंग का क्योंकि शायद मैं घर जाकर भी शूट करूँगी. और that's the setup. बंजी कॉर्ड्स ताकि बैग्स बाइक के पीछे आ सके. That's my waist bag, gloves, Rhinox. These are just a few clothing and this is a leather jacket, Z Leathers. Oh, my diary, the best one. This was a gifted one and I just love it. The ultimate sticker book. Here are some notes क्योंकि directly after holidays हमारे exam है. Skincare, shower things, pencils and pens and for the eyes by the way. And these are the 2 bags. Before we get any further, I took a break क्योंकि इसके बाद में मुझे अपनी हेलमेट सैनिटाइज करनी है और साथ ही साथ उसके ऊपर माउंट फिक्स करना है और ये भी चेक करना है कि अगर उसमें ऑडियो क्लियर आ रही है या नहीं क्योंकि आई डू वांट टू शो यू द व्यू. थोड़ी प्लेसेस बीच में दैट आई कंसिडर और आई कैन पुट माई कैमरा ऑन. तो maybe you'll see those clips and break के time पर if we talk about that, मेरा staple तो हमेशा से रहा है चाय bread because mountains में it is the most easiest thing to make. जब भी हम कभी किसी expedition पे जाते हैं लोगों को लगता है हम सिर्फ मैगी खाते हैं but I guess मैगी से ज़्यादा मैंने चाय bread खाया है. That's my habit. That's how it is. So I just made it. अब इतनी habit हो गई है सबको बनाने की कि जब भी कुछ समझ नहीं आता कि क्या बनाना है या क्या खाना है, just make chai bread. That's it. So I'm gonna take a break and then उसके बाद I'll show you कि how I clean, sanitize and fix the mount on my helmet और we'll share the details of helmet. Finally it's done and now it's time to sanitize the helmet. हेलमेट सैनिटाइज करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट इसलिए हो जाता है क्योंकि जब हम राइड्स पर जाते हैं डस्ट, डिब्रीज, everything just gets inside it. So I thought it will be better अगर मैं आपको पहले अपनी हेलमेट दिखा दूँ. So this is my beauty. She is SMK and that's my old name, Dark Ruella. इस नया नाम से मैं काफ़ी obsessed थी but couldn't take it क्योंकि ये already एक मूवी में exist करता है and that was the main character I was trying to be. But I guess it's time to be authentic. आपके ऊपर कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक या फिर किसी भी ऐसी चीज़ का चांस हो सकता है. So I thought to drop it. Let's first remove it though. I do love this name. But it's over now. हेलमेट हर एक चीज़ झेलती है जो आप उस पर फेंकोगे तो इसका स्ट्रॉन्ग और साफ़ होना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. जैसे ये प्रीवियस राइड से कैन यू सी ऑल दिस और इसका वाइज़र भी. सो आई गेस इट्स परफेक्ट टू स्टार्ट क्लीनिंग इट नाउ. For the sanitization part, I usually trust the Putolin helmet sanitizer. This is very effective. ये बहुत टाइम से मेरे पास है and it's working wonders now. Foam base पे आता है but it's very easy to do it. Let me just quickly show you कि इसका texture कैसा है और इसको बस पहले shake करना है थोड़ा सा and then आप directly इसको helmet पे spray कर सकते हो. like that foam, it covers it all. Vlogging is tough actually. Since it's done, thoda bahut, so you can take a cloth, a microfiber or whatsoever you prefer, and then you can simply wipe it all off. So let me do that now. So the helmet part is done. Helmet को तो मैंने clean कर लिया, and you can see it's just like the brand new one. इसका visor also I have removed. This is the tinted glass visor is what I would say it. I don't know. It's more like glasses, and it actually can be popped up from the side of the helmet like this. And this comes in handy अगर आप ज़्यादा sunlight में चला रहे हैं and you don't want all the light to get into your eyes, so it is for that purpose. Talking about the visor, here it is. I thought इसको deep clean करना better रहेगा. Here that you see, ये वाली जो layer है, ये basically anti fog layer inside the helmet. कभी कभार जब सर्दियों में हम राइड करते हैं तो अंदर जो fog जम जाती है, जिसकी वजह से सब ग्लास के ऊपर blurry हो जाता है. So this layer especially prevents that. आप इसको remove कर सकते हो वैसे. It's like this. Then you remove it from the lock. Here you go. अब इसे अच्छी तरह clean करना important है because this is the main thing. Although I'm planning to change it soon, but for now I love it. Well, I've also cleaned the insides. अब इसको attach करना थोड़ा सा tricky है. Since this is your visor, ये है आपका inner layer. अगर आप इसको ऐसे attach करने लगोगे, there is going to be a bulge in it. So उसके लिए क्या करना है? You just have to turn it. Sorry. You just have to turn it like this, and then उसके बाद इसको इसके locks में डालो. You'll see how easily it gets in the shape. There you go. Yeah. आप एक बार अपने फिंगर को इसके चारों एज पर घुमाकर देख सकते हो. If you feel like there is gap, that means it has not been set properly. And once fixed, आप इसे up and down थोड़ा सा move करके adjust कर सकते हो. On the bottom, it is okay if it is having a little space, but usually it shouldn't. Now since I have touched inside of the visor again, so it's time to properly clean it before we install it. Outside तो तभी clean होगा when it's properly installed, क्योंकि फिर से इसके ऊपर ऐसे हाथ रखने का वो ज़रूरत पड़ेगा. So let's just clean the insides. Now that it's clean, I have to install it back. Although installing it back काफ़ी आसान process है once you know how to do it from time to time. More you practice, the more you learn. If you want कि उसके ऊपर भी एक अलग से वीडियो आए तो do let me know, और मैं अपनी शॉर्ट्स में अपलोड कर दूँगी, या फिर opening this SMK helmet, cleaning it deeply, and about the visor, how to install it back. Now let's just put it back. I installed it back, but then I thought कि अगर मैंने बोला ये कि इतना आसान है तो I think I should do it on camera, right? So पहले चलो फिर से remove कर लेते हैं. Now first we are going to remove it. Here you go. Now for the installation, I'm just gonna plug it in the right areas. Now that is plugged in, up scissors. There you go. It's that easy. It's back again. And in order to check if it's working properly or not, आप इसे एक बार अंदर वाली side push कर लो. Bring it back. Push it down again. This way अगर इसके अंदर कोई lock रह भी गया होगा तो it is going to get set. Now that we are done with the helmet, it's time to mount the camera holder or the phone holder, which I'm going to do offline because I'm very tired to do it on screen now. So we'll see you in the next scene, that is tomorrow when I'm about to head out. I'm leaving tomorrow in the afternoon. मैं चाहती हूँ कि सूरज एकदम सर पर हो क्योंकि मुझे ठंड में राइड करने से थोड़ी सी दिक्कत है. I don't like it's so cold outside unless it's snow. So we'll see you in the afternoon now, or maybe in the morning itself. अगर मैं, yeah, we'll see you in the afternoon.